guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a fantastic day. Now, as you can see, today I'm not at my regular makeup desk, and probably as you can tell by the video, we're not doing a makeup video today. I thought I would do kind of like my day routine. So if you don't know, I am in second year university. I'm in a dual engineering and business degree, and I do school from home now, as you know, with the situation this year. So I thought I would kind of do a realistic you know, day in my life type thing and take you guys through my day of me doing online school and all the other things I usually do. So if you want to see all of that, just keep on watching. All right, so as my alarm rings, I wake up around 8, depending on the day, and then I just go to the bathroom to wash my face. I just use this CeraVe Gentle Cleanser usually in the morning. It's just a really nice, like, refreshing cleanser, and then of course brush my teeth. And then this morning I did decide to work out. I try to do this at least a few times a week. I've been doing this just at home program. It's called T25, 25 minutes, or at least I try to do the full 25. And the video I did today was ab intervals, so it included some abs as well as some light cardio. So I did that. I try to stay active at least a few times a week, especially since I'm at home and I sit a lot during the day while doing school. So then I'm pretty dead usually after my workouts, and now it's time to shower. I use these L'Oreal products for my hair, this Ivory body wash, and then my CeraVe foaming cleanser. And then I just do my skin routine. So I use my CeraVe moisturizing lotion. This stuff has literally saved my skin. I also go in with the CeraVe eye repair cream just under my eyes. And then of course sunscreen every single day. This is the Neutrogena SPF 50. It also has zinc in it. I really like it. Now it's time to choose an outfit, and even though I love dressing fancy, since I'm at home, it usually ends up being something like this, super comfortable. And I'm just gonna let my hair air dry while I go eat. So this morning I had some eggs, bacon, and coffee. And I like putting ketchup on my eggs. I don't know if that's weird or not, but after breakfast I'm gonna do my hair since it is wet. I usually let it air dry, but I've been using this one-step dryer recently just because it's so quick and easy. And it dries my hair and, you know, really gets rid of all the frizz that I usually have, and then also styles it. So I like to round the ends of my hair just to give it that nice style. And then I'll do the same with my bangs. I'll give them that extra curl since I do have like curtain bangs. This is how the hair turned out. I really like how this tool styles it. Super quick and easy. And then I don't actually do my makeup while I'm at home. I try to let my skin breathe a lot more, but I do like to add some jewelry just so I feel a little bit more put together. So I just put on these really cute earrings and some rings. And then gotta make my bed. Then it's time to sit down at my desk and get to work. In the morning, I just like to work on any studying or schoolwork that I need to catch up on before lectures. And since my hair always gets in the way and in my face, I've been doing this hairstyle a lot where I just twist it up into like a little bun and then use a giant jaw clip to secure it all back, and it's worked awesome for me. Then I check my planner, make sure that I get done everything that needs to be done that day, and here I'm just working on a project and some homework that I'm trying to get done before lectures. Then once I'm done that schoolwork, I usually move on to working on YouTube stuff. So I check all my emails, respond to emails, and then work on videos, whether that's editing or getting videos ready to upload. So that at 11, I have my thermodynamics lecture, first lecture of the day. Very interesting, as you can see. Then at 12, I have my dynamics lecture. And I just write all my notes on my computer on OneNote. Then at 1, I had a group meeting. We just went over like our presentation, all of that. Then it was time for lunch. I made a super complex meal and got my brother some as well. And I usually just watch Modern Family or something while I'm eating. It's a nice little break. And I honestly love the show. I've seen it 2 times through. Then at 2, it's time for my calculus lecture, but my prof lost connection with the Zoom, so we were waiting for that, trying to figure out what was going on. And then at 2:20, he got reconnected, but then our class got canceled for the day. And after some more studying, I decided that today would be the day I actually go outside. So I took Ringo on a walk. Usually I am pretty bad for just staying inside and working all day long, so I definitely should make it a habit to go outside and get some fresh air more often, and I'm sure Ringo would like that plan. So I'm definitely a big snacker, so I'm just gonna have some food. I've been loving these gingerbread bear paws actually, so I'm just watching a YouTube video while I eat, and Ringo is watching me eat. Then it was time for my dynamics tutorial. And then at 5:45 I had my dynamics quiz. Went pretty well, and then I just finished that up and submitted it. Then it was time to eat dinner. My mom just made some spaghetti. It was really, really good. And then Tyler came over. Tyler's here now. And I've been dying to try this Recoverfun mini, it's like a massage gun thing. Since we're both super stressed with school, it might be nice to relax a little bit. This is the Recoverfun mini, and this was sent to me, but we're gonna try it out and give our honest opinion today. The packaging is very nice, like that. Ooh. Hold that. Here's the instruction manual. That's what it looks like when you open it up. And then the charger is like a USB charger, so I'm just gonna plug this in for a bit to charge. It's like, what would you say this is, like 5 pounds?
Yeah, probably.
So like 5 pounds, so not terribly heavy. I'm gonna go through the package. So it comes with this nice bag that you can carry it in. Obviously it is a mini massage gun, so very portable, kind of take it anywhere. We have this first attachment. It's like a flat surface.
It's for muscle recovery, like especially getting a lot of lactic acid out of your system. It like tenses the muscles, like pressuring it at different points, and it's like active recovery. It's why you do like a cool down after working out. This is what it's supposed to simulate.
So I probably should have used that after my workout this morning. Good to know for next time. Next attachment is this one right here. It's like almost like a foam ball.
It has the same idea. It's just like a bit softer piece if you're like really, really sore after a workout.
And then the next one is this thin one right here. It's just like a plastic material.
This is if you have some like really bad knots.
And then the last one is this like fork looking one.
I imagine it's the same thing, like deep pressure points.
It is now charged. So we're just gonna go ahead and turn it on. And that is it with the first attachment on there, so.
Really, really nice.
Try on like your arm after.
It feels so good. Even through the hoodie.
And I think it's a pretty good price too.
Yeah. Seems really reasonable to me.
I feel like it would be good as a gift too, even.
Yeah, 100%.
Like if you're looking for a gift for someone who's like an athlete.
It feels so good.
Oh wow. Not what I was expecting it to be like. I thought it would like hurt, but it's just like super relaxing. I've never used something like this, but I could definitely see how it's useful, especially after workouts. Okay, this thing is actually pretty awesome, and you can turn it up. Has 4 levels. So I put on this attachment, and I'm just gonna turn it on. I'm gonna try it on Tyler's back. Here. I think we're done playing around with the massage gun, but we both really like this. What would you give it, like, a rating?
Honestly, for like sports recovery, as a guy who played a lot of sports, like I'd say 10 out of 10. Like it's really solid for recovery. This is something I would have loved when I had like a tournament or something, like back-to-back games.
Yeah, so definitely like a really good gift idea if you guys, like any of you girls out there, like for your boyfriends or brothers or any people in your life that are super athletic, or if you play a lot of sports, then this might be a really cool gift for yourself or for someone else.
What do you think? Because you liked it for
relaxation.
I liked it.
I did really like it, and I don't usually use stuff like this. I don't do a lot of like sports or anything, but I still did really enjoy it. I'll leave the links down below in the description if you guys are interested, or if you've tried something like this, just let me know down below in the comments. But yeah, we liked it. We just made some popcorn and we're just gonna watch like a show or a movie, maybe a Christmas movie, we haven't decided yet, but I'm just gonna end this day in my life here. It was a pretty good day. Anyways, thank you so much for watching this video. Hopefully you enjoyed it. I know it's a little bit different, but if you did, make sure to give me a thumbs up and also subscribe for more videos. And if you haven't already, please turn on my post notifications so you get notified every single time I upload a new video. And yeah guys, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.